Alright. See, these areas let me know that I explored them. Fuck. Stop, Ratchet. Oh my god, stay still. You are the worst, dude. The absolute worst. Just do that. Much easier for you. PS5. And I don't really want to. Are you a manager? You have to fire somebody? Well, it's not too many. You get like so much so easily though. It may seem like a lot, but it's really not. And you really do this like for quick money. The stuff gets really expensive later on. So having a couple extra money for the next set of armor, the next guns, ammo, all that other stuff is really, really good to have. That's essentially what you get everything for. But why do you have to fire somebody? I always wanted to do it. Oh, might be something here. Huh? Maybe? No way. Yeah, I figured. Alright, going back this way. I'm thinking it's the upper right. I'm gonna bet on the upper right. Betting on the upper right. Oh, let me just double check. I feel like I've seen all these from that are close to these like exits. I'm pretty sure I got all those. And this, and I just need to go up. Up, right? That will bring in. Actually, let me go this way. Alright. I don't think anyone says Donald Trump though. Just saying. Alright. This should be it. This is the dream. There's probably one area I didn't see that I didn't encompass. And it's gonna give me my 3. There's gotta be one of them, please. No. Alright, let me just run around the outskirts. I think that's like the best thing, to just run around the outskirts of it. Let's go back out. Alright, I'm gonna run around the outside, and then I'm gonna work my way inward. Yeah, because this is the outside, because it wants me to go there. Pretty sure I figured that out. I probably, because it's near a thing. Yep. Work the outside. Come on. Get out. Exactly. Uh-oh. Come on, please. Please, please, please. Drop it low, girl. No. Got that one already. Why is it going this way? That is a weird tunnel. Oh, you can go around? I don't think I got this one then. I did get this one. It's bringing me to the other side. Make sure that it is not like you go this way. So it's like red and yellow. Okay, it doesn't matter which way you approach it, it will pop up. What up, Tachi? Dude, what in the actual? So I can go around this thing? I did not know that. But I think I already checked this other side out pretty thoroughly, though. Pretty sure I did. Because everything to my left, like to my left side, should be, got some enemies, that's a good sign. Be an exit. Alright, so that goes to exit as well. Alright, cool. Come on. We have a certain FPS segment in Banjo-Kazooie. I never played Banjo-Kazooie. That's to go back out as well. I don't know where the hell that is. That the map? That is the map. It's still hard to like picture where I am on the map though. Well, the down, I think the bottom one I got. I definitely think it's on the other side. Just based off the way that the map looks. So I'm right here. What a Dashio. Conga's Bad Fur Day. I didn't play that one either. Oh, Dashio. Oh, you like shiny hunting? My condolences, bro. So I got that other one too. There's 3 crystals on that side. Well, La Rescue Sauce, but Volcarona is broken. Not broken, but really good Pokemon. See, the thing is that this map doesn't show me, like, you know, where I haven't gone, so it kind of... like, it's kind of hard to, like, know what I've done and what I haven't done. Your friend wants him and now he's jealous? That's funny. Banjo-Kazooie is pretty good, just very long. Banjo-Kazooie is better in terms of length and everything. Wait, there's a difference between Banjo-Tooie and Banjo-Kazooie? There's, like, 2 games? Or is that, like, a typo? Am I bugging? Alright, I want to go with this. I still think it's on the right side. Now it puts me over here, right? Cool. Alright, so I'm going to enter this side. I want to go to the upper right. I think that's where it is. That's only 1 crystal, though. Right here. I'm going to turn right. There's a crystal thing here. And there's also going to be a crystal thing. I'm going back down this way. This is the tube here. No, that's not where I want to go then. Up, then to the left. Oh, this is confusing once you go on the ceilings. Right here, boom, and then I go up. Yeah, up here. Alright. And then... it's like a wraparound. Could be one, right? And I'm gonna go here, and then this is just a big old circle. Then I'm gonna turn to my right. There's 2 crystals here, possibly. Possibly. Wait, what? Those must be, okay, they must be in regular crystals then. A spare shiny Gengar? No. Alright, go all the way up. Yeah, level 5 is the max for the weapons. We should go play my copy of I have a pal. Why can't you play it then? And this little 4-way thing, there's another. Yeah, this is this little 4-way thing that I have here. Let me go to the very top. Supposed to be a crystal somewhere around here. Little break area. Back up. The hell am I? This is the center point. If I go this way, then go up, round up. I think. And Dre's here, 4,000. Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Sugarloaves restaurant. There should be 2 things here, possibly. Oh, I got those 2. Damn it, man. This is so stupidly difficult. Ugh. Region locking. Oh, that sucks. Alright, where am I now? Why didn't they just put like, it's so stupid. What up, Fat Donkey? What's going on? I'm trying to find the last 3 crystals of this spot. Of this silly little game here. And I don't know where I've been or where I haven't been. So it's just really frustrating. I've just come so far. It feels really shitty to give up at this point, so I don't want to. Alright, I'm at the G. And right here, there's supposed to be a crystal. Wait. Yeah, right here. There's a crystal right here. I probably fought this already, most likely. 9 times out of 10. Yep. Possibly I missed this one, though. Go down, and then... I would earn more giving up? Absolutely not. I've already beaten this game. It's not like I'm gonna miss the storyline or something. There's one right here. Maybe this one I might not have gotten. No, I did get that one too. God, I'm so good. Oh, why do I gotta be so good? Yeah, it just told me that there were 3 left. So, wait. So, I got that one. There's 4 across this way. I just turn around. No, I'm looking directly at the map. I'm looking directly at the map. I just don't know. The problem is that I don't know which ones I've gotten. Like, this would have been good if I had this map when I first started, because then I would know where I've gone and where I haven't gone. But I've been doing this since I did a little bit of it yesterday, and then I'm trying to do the rest of it now. So it's kind of hard to like remember like exactly where I haven't been. Because on the map you can see the yellow. The yellow means that I've been there. So outside of this green area that's marked, I've been to every single area besides those green areas. Like all these areas lets me know like, oh, you've been here. Yeah, this is an amazing series. Because right after this, I'm going to be doing a boss fight, Courtney Gears. So I just want to finish this little optional side quest. I did the same thing in the other Ratchet Clanks. Did side quests, you know? Where am I? Right here. My other option is to go back and now that I have a map, I can check each little location. No, that's not where I'm going. I can do that. Oh no, I think that's it. That's it. There we go. Alright, here we go. Your warmer cache. They are very tedious, dude. Alright, so let's go up here. So there's supposed to be a crystal right here. Which is right here, which would have been right here, right? And then you turn the corner. There should be one right here. As there was. Now I can go all the way down. There should be 3 crystal spots all the way down here. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm this invested into it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm sorry if some people are bored by it. I've seen people do way more boring things, so it's perfectly fine. And we're all the way here. There should be like 3 here on this side, which we most likely got. Then we come down to this part. There's a little split. And then there will be a crystal. No, here. No, not here. Where am I facing? I'm facing down. So it would be here. So there was a crystal right here, which got taken. Then you keep going this way. Then there's a crystal upwards. This would be up. As you can see, it's not there. And then there's a couple crystals if you go down, which mostly got taken. Pointy Gear's song is pretty funny. It's actually on my video games playlist as well. Alright, so these got taken right there. Go all the way down. Oh no, we can go right here from this spot actually. And then we can go to the right. No. Right, okay. And then there should be 3 crystals if I go up. Right, because it goes the G thing over there, but I'm not going there. 1, 2. And then third one would be there, not there. So let me go check this other little area to the left. I'm gonna go back. And if you guys didn't see my soul level 1 runs of Dark Souls, you will nearly know how stubborn I am. Oh baby. AK-47, what's up, player? Dark Souls 1 soul level 1. Dark Souls 2 soul level 1s. Oh baby. It's like a little hidden loop. Might have missed this. There's a possibility I could have missed this. But see, the G is not there. The G's mean that I didn't go to this. So I technically went to this area, yep. There's 1 here. There was 1, 2, 3 here. In this area, not here. Is that all the crystals on this map? Yep. So it goes and it lies in the upper left hand corner. Upper left hand corner. Upper left hand corner. Okay, bitch. The fuck? Fuck all y'all. Alright. Here. Alright, here we go. Let's clear this area out. Alright, and we're gonna start from this end. This is the, no, this is this first part. So we're gonna go forward more, and then we're gonna go around this little loop-de-loop. Right? So we gotta go a little bit further. Here. And this is where we get the loop-de-loop. So this might be one. No. The full loop-de-loop. I can go out this way, but I'm just gonna double check the full loop first. Double check the full loop first. This one might be one, and this is the only one in this little circle. And no. I'm gonna go back to that. I'm trying to stay on the ground. Back to this thing. There should be, I turn here, and then there should be one like right here. Hit trigger. Means I already got that one. Let's see. Get down here. Turn here. Should be one up here. Already got the G. Not going there yet. One of these should have the G. Now I'm lost. I feel like they're stuck in the wall somewhere. Expert navigation skills. I'm trying to figure out where the hell I am. Alright, we're going here. Okay, so I know where I am. I went all the way out to the side. There's supposed to be one thing there too. And there should be one. But nope. And then here's the turn. I know where I am now. I think I've literally looked at every single spot and there's still nothing. Like I might have to reset the game or something. Yeah, because yeah, it is the hardest because like it's literally not showing me anything. Here we go. This is the G. I'm thinking that my that's what I'm thinking about, Doro. Maybe it's glitched and I like have to restart the game or something. Down. Yeah, because I would go right into here. That is all the crystals in that area. The only thing I can think of, which would be stupid as fuck, is that I missed one in the yellow area. But it's all discovered. Like I looked through all of that. That means I don't remember dying. Did I die? In a blue area? There's no way. There's no way I died in the blue area. I don't remember dying. There's no way. Did I get the very top crystal? Yeah, well past that. You gonna laugh? I'd laugh too. But then I don't remember dying. I remember I did stop doing it. But then I went through like every little area to make sure that I got everything. That's why everything's yellow in these areas. That means I went through it already. And like they don't pop up. They're either like they're either like a like in the ceiling or like a green wall. But I'm pretty sure I got like every single green wall. Like there's no way. Because they block off areas. I don't want to quit it, but... I don't want to quit it, but I might have to. It may be glitched. There's only 3 left. That's like a section that's cut off, like a section that I missed. But and we got Sandman. Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Strugglers Restaurant. I'm pretty sure like I found every single, like I went to every single spot, like every single spot. Unless I read my maps wrong. But I'm pretty sure I read the maps just like perfectly fine. It's a G area? No. This is this first area. There was a crystal there. You bet you on my that it's not glitched. And I just missed an area. Down. Well, see, if I restart it, I'm trying to use the enemies too as like a guidance as whether or not I've been to an area or not. Wait, how did that happen? There we go. The last area. Okay. This is bumping and it splits. I don't feel like I missed an area. I feel like I went over every single thing. I know where the last crystal is. Reset City, yep. Well, no, that email is really good for speedrunners. Boom, this whole avenue gone. Remember, see, this is the one with the two things. That's to get out of the area. I'm not trying to get out of the area. Nah, we try to get sub button, but the numbers are too low, man. Too low. Right now, the closest I got is if I like just play Evolve. But right now, like if I'm not playing Evolve, the numbers are gonna go back to like 40-ish, kind of thing. It's all good. What the fuck? That's why I just gotta do what I want. It's not like a rush. I get a lot of support through donations and just you guys being around, the support group of you guys being around and stuff like that. I really don't need a sub button. Sub button for me would be just good for you guys because then you get quality options. But apparently that's what I always hate about the rejection letter. It just tells you like the most inaccurate thing ever. It's like, oh, we can't we can't give out partnership to you because of there's just, you know, too much sources going out. Like, yeah, but you have like tons of people that are partner that don't even stream anymore. Pretty sure you can spare me some sources there, bro. I don't know if they're being stingy exactly is the word, because a lot of people, they feel as though they might deserve it, but they kind of don't. Like they also, hosting doesn't really do anything. Wait, is that a double? Whatever, hold on, let me just go back. That's all those. I'm gonna go through all these on this upper side. Or have you seen someone recently get denied that really should have got it? Characters on donation, is it? No, I can't increase it. It's just in general, like, they won't even read it. Like, you can leave a really long donation message, just the thing won't read like a really long donation message. That's the only thing. It's just that, like, I swear I hit all these, man. There's nothing doing, because all these spots right here, I like look through each little thing from each spot, and it really, like, there's nothing, man. Boom, do that all the way down. Then I'm gonna go up this one. The thing about that is that, yeah, I feel what happened is that they kind of like, not that they got screwed over, but they like, oh, yeah, you don't have to do that. If you really want to, you could just write, if you wanna donate and leave a longer message, just donate, leave a message, and then like tweet at me. Not tweet at me, sorry, that's even worse. Spammy TV, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Struggles Restaurant. Send me a Twitch message, sorry. I'm not God. Like, I'm even doing it this way to make sure I got everything. I'm going through each and every avenue, up and down, especially this down area, so I know for sure that there's nothing in this down area that I missed. Each little avenue, up and down. I know I didn't miss anything. I feel like it's glitched. I'm like 95% sure it's glitched. I'm a goddess, yes. Yes, bitch, yes. See, now I noticed that the top part, this top part here, with the lights, lets you know that you're going that direction. Ramuna, that's exactly what I'm doing right now, like, not even lying. I'm literally going through a guide one by one. Not even kidding. That's why I think it's glitched, because I'm pretty sure I haven't missed one. Like this down area, I just went through each and every hallway, every single spot. I'm like looking at a guide on the side right now. So once I reach out this other hallway, that should be it. Boom. It's not here. I'm legit, man. Oh no. There we go. Yeah, one thing missing. That's like murder. It should say it there. A sandbox game? Yeah, I would never do that. No. Wait, look! Oh my god. Oh my god. No. I refuse right now. That is an area that I did not explore, and it is in the regular area. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn the stream off. Where's my internet disconnects now? God damn it. I told you guys. Alright, so this must be the area that I didn't look at. Oh god. You can't slow clap, the CCs are turned off, I'm sorry. Alright. So there's two more. Apparently missing. Even though it don't work, yeah, I know. I feel dirty inside. I feel dirty inside. Oh my god, I wasted so much time. That's gonna look terrible on YouTube. Thank you guys for having a lot of patience for someone that's really stupid. I really do appreciate it. Well. Wow. I don't know if it's gonna read that out because it's not really a word. It will actually. Oh god. Okay, okay, I'm not gonna let that actually go.